What's good with y'all? What's good? We tuning in for another video. And today, I think if the rain hold off, I know I say it every video, but man, it's been raining the whole week. Storming, actually. It ain't even just been raining, it been storming the whole entire week. Like, it's just crazy. So, let me tell y'all this. Check this out now. Check me out now. Look, I went out here. The last time I crunked this car was Sunday. That was the last time I crunk it up. I always crank them up, even if I don't drive. I crunk it up Sunday, and that was it. I let it run for about 30 seconds. I turned it off. I came out here yesterday, which was Wednesday, and check this out now. Y'all check this out. I don't know what's going on. You see? Y'all see that? Well, you can't see. Hold on. Let me see. Y'all see that? That's my fuel pump switch. It's hot all the time. Nothing, man. So, I don't know what done happened. Could it possibly have finally, wrong key, burn out? Possibly. I know some people gonna say, well, Jay, you vapor locking this and that, it'll burn you. Listen, man, I know that stuff, man. It's okay. I'm gonna be the one to have to buy it. But it's done. But I ain't gonna say it burn up. I ain't gonna say it burn up till I catch it. Cause I remember it did that last time. Y'all remember I thought I was gonna have to buy a whole fuel pump. But when I took it loose, when I took the fuel pump off the car and touched it to the battery, it started working. And then when I put it back on, it's been working ever since. So I don't know. So this time I'm not gonna take it, and that's my plan for this video. If I beat the rain or whatever, I'm not gonna take it all the way off. I'm gonna disconnect the wires and run a wire down to a battery, and I'm gonna see if it still works. But we finna crank this thing up, cause I ain't longer intro ever. It's longer intro ever. I'm gonna crank this thing up, cause I ain't crunk it up since man, look at all that, boy. Because I ain't crunk it up since all that happened. Man, I'm gonna put something right here. I gotta go ahead and get that wall built so it stop that running. That stuff running off over here. I'm gonna get a wall built, man. Y'all gonna see my yard transform too. If you been following, then you already know everything look big time different already. So let me crank this thing up. Oh yeah, gotta tell y'all what I bought too. I just bought some that I said I was going. I've been planning to buy. I went ahead and bought it. I got to go pick it up. Yes, indeed. So I'm gonna get my carpet. Let's see. Old Dolo fire up, which it is. I don't know why it wouldn't. Look at that, fire right up. Oh, we just blew the transmission on, that's all. Gotta let it warm up. trailer just gotta warm up, man, then it'll start doing what it's supposed to do. Well, we're gonna take back in, y'all. Got a house full right now, some of everything going on at the Malcolm house right now. But y'all, look. I don't know what the Ray car man doing over here at a street car person house. He already look what I picked up though, y'all. This the next day. This supposed to be in the vlog, but it started raining so hard. All that. By the time I got it, it was night. I was like, man, it ain't worth doing. So this the next day, and man, what the? I need to put some damn my tire. But anyway, yeah, man, we finally got the trailer. I told y'all in the vlog before this, I was going to get one. I said, I ain't tell you I had got one. Some people like, hey man, good move on the trailer, but I hadn't bought it at the time. But I went ahead and got it yesterday. So shout out to DJ. He had an extra one. So this what we got. Good tires on it and all that. I mean, we got the ramps, the whole nine. Got an extra spare. Yeah, so we got the trailer now. I gotta put it in the back. I'm gonna put it in the back cause I don't want no trailer in the front yard and all that. I'm gonna put it in the back, but Big Meech, like I said, y'all know the fuel pump thing going on and all that. So I got another fuel pump just in case. I got that Holly Mighty Mike fuel pump. So I'm gonna get it swapped over. Like I said, it done rain. It been raining all day hard too. But as long as it stay like this, I'm gonna just back it up and then I'm gonna jack it up, go up on their car. Fuel pump change already. It's easy. It's easy exchange, swap out. So I'm gonna get that done today. I can move Big Meech cause I'm not pushing no car. Move Big Meech. I can move Wifey Monte Carlo. Then I just hook up to the trailer. I'm gonna put it right there in front of the driveway, the extended driveway. Put it right there for now. Then move the truck back over. But yeah, man, good to go. Said come with the ramps. Cause I was like, man, hey, I'm not paying no more towing. I'm not paying nobody for no towing, man. It's a wrap. It's over with. As much money as I done spent in towing, between towing my S10 and my other car, man, I done bought one of these. So what I am gonna do, I'm gonna get somebody to come by and put me a winch on here though. I'm gonna get a winch put on. So if you got any winch recommendations, I want a good one, man. I'm not tripping about the price. I want some good one cause to me that's safety. You don't want no cable breaking, you want something strong. Now I know weight matter, weight capacity. I'm not gonna be pulling no I'm not gonna be pulling no real heavy vehicle, so I don't need the biggest of the biggest, but I just want something good, man, and safe to where I can pull, let's say max or truck, cause I probably end up getting a truck, I mean, for the challenge still later on, but as long as it can pull a truck, man, like a short bed truck or a photo or something like that, good weight capacity. So you got any winch recommendations, let me know. I'm not going to Harbor Freight and get no winch. I just don't want to, not with it. So if you got any winch recommendation, let me know in the comment. I'm gonna check them out cause I need one ASAP. Get me a winch mounted, battery box, and all that. But yeah, we got us a good old trailer now. We got a good old trailer for the channel now, y'all. So it's on. Now I can put these radios on John Jones, pull it up there, and we can get to it. It's 18 foot, so it's more than long enough. This DJ calling now, so I'm gonna check in with y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, we checking in. See, my cousin about to help me take this fuel pump out right quick. I'm gonna test it out first, but we got this. This is the one I wanted from the beginning. So he coming over here. I told him to pick it up for him. So we about to get this swapped over, get that old one off real quick, and then we should be back in the game. So y'all just stay tuned. It's gonna be pretty quick. Then we're gonna test the old one out first though. We're gonna test the old one out, hook it up on the battery. Cause remember last time I took it off. Alright, y'all, me and Cuzzo got it off. Y'all see? Real quick. So we testing it out. This bad boy's done. Mr. Gasket, spun wide last. So like I said, y'all right. Mr. Gasket burn up. So we went to the Holly. Did what I wanted that first time, but y'all remember the vlog, y'all know I ain't patient. I bought this car, I wanted something right there in the day. So I got this, got to drill the holes out a little bit so we can use the existing bolts. Just like I did this one, same stuff. So I'm gonna widen the holes out. We're gonna pop this one back on, then Meech be back fired up. Then while we're doing that, probably move wifey car where she going with the key. But I'm gonna put the trailer back there. That's why I'm waiting. So We had a break in the weather, so we're going ahead and get this done. So same thing, y'all. You don't have to use Teflon tape. You got brass going into it. So metal, I mean, so you good to go right there. And yeah, cause Teflon tape can tear these things up too. So you keep that in mind. But I'm about to put this, get this mounted. We're gonna hook it back up and then go. I got, like I said, I got the vented cap on here. I just ain't show y'all. But vented cap on there. I need to slide on here and show y'all this thing got a vent on it. I told y'all it was vented. I need to show y'all. I checked it, it's not clogged either. So the tank is vented. It's vented from the jump, but it's not clogged. But we're gonna get this back on and then we'll figure all that out. I ain't really sweating it like that. So shout out to Will too over at AutoZone for the hooking me up with this. I paid for it though, y'all. I mean, he hooked me up. Don't think I'm getting free stuff, but he look out. So we're gonna get this on, set Meech down, then we're gonna see what we got. Alright, y'all, we checking in. We got the pump on. Switch back mounted. Everything like it's supposed to. Let me see. We got power. Bad boy loud though. That bad boy loud. We back though. We back running though. That pump loud, boy. So I'm gonna let boy Meech smell like racing gas. My belt I got wet. I'm gonna let old Meech run for a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna take back in with y'all.